In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom reports in HubSpot. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to shape a report that answers your specific business questions. Start by signing into your HubSpot account and heading to the main navigation. Look for the reporting section in the top menu. Open that, then choose Reports to land on your reporting workspace. This is home base for everything you'll build and manage. From here, look for the Create button. Click it, then select Create Report. This opens a guided flow that helps you choose the right type of report. When you're asked what kind of report to build, choose Custom Report. Custom reports give you the most flexibility over your data sources, fields, and visualizations, which is what we want. Click Next to move forward. Now you'll see options for how to begin. You can create the report on your own, which starts you from a blank canvas, or you can start with a data set, which uses a predefined collection of objects and properties curated by your team. If you're comfortable picking data sources and fields yourself, choose the build on your own option. If your organization provides data sets to standardize reporting, pick a data set to save time and ensure consistency. Either way, confirm your choice and click Next. You're now in the report builder. Begin by selecting the data you want to analyze. Choose the relevant objects and fields, things like deals, contacts, companies, tickets, or activities, keeping it as focused as possible to keep the report fast and clear. Add your key measures such as amounts, counts, or stage durations, and pair them with dimensions like date, owner, life cycle stage, pipeline, or source. Use filters to narrow to the time period and segment that matter. A common approach is to set a date filter, such as close date is in the last quarter, and then refine by pipeline, region, or team. As you add fields, watch the preview on the right to confirm the report is taking shape as expected. Next, choose a visualization that best fits your question. Bar and column charts are great for comparisons. Line charts show trends over time. Pie or donut charts work for distribution, and tables are best when you need exact values. Rename axes and series for clarity, and sort the data so the most important insights rise to the top. When you're happy with the setup, click Save Report. Give it a clear, descriptive name so your team can find it later. That's it. Your custom report is ready to use, share, and iterate as your needs evolve.